How to change music language on Suno AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can change music language on Suno AI. In order to change the music language on Suno AI, first of all, open your Suno AI application on your mobile device or go to the Suno AI website. Once you open the application, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here tap on this create button at the central button below to start a new project. Now in this prompt section, you can specify the desired language for your song. You can either type lyrics in the language you want, or you can also simply name the language in your style prompt. For example, if you want a song in Spanish, you can write your prompt like create a song in Spanish, or you can input the Spanish lyrics directly. You can also additionally describe the style of music to tailor the output further, which helps Suno AI to understand not just the language but also the cultural context of your music. And after setting up it, tap on the create button at the very bottom to generate your song. Wait for a few seconds until the song is ready. After that, Suno AI will produce a song in a specific language. Simply tap on the song to play it. And then you will see you have successfully changed music language on Suno AI. So by following these steps, you should be able to change the music language on Suno AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.